Alrighty, we are recording the sewer line here at 6610 57th Avenue Northeast, Seattle, Washington. The date is Monday, October 1st, Monday, October 1st, 2018. Pause for a half a second here. I gotta take a phone call. Okay, we're back. Like I said, we are at 6610 57th Northeast. The date's Monday, October 1st, 2018. This is the sewer line recording. I'm recording this from the pulled toilet in the basement. So the clean out access just outside the bathroom window, for whatever reason, does not go into this line. Or I was unable to access the clog from that line. I'm not sure exactly what's going on there yet. But I was able to get the line clear from the toilet. So this is about 80 feet out. That's as far out as I can push the camera. It's a little difficult pushing the camera from the pulled toilet. So we're going to pull back and narrate as we go here. So this is cast iron line, strangely enough. It's an interesting sewer line. There's not normally this much cast iron. And for the most part, it's in pretty damn good shape. So this is all 4-inch cast. This is, so you can see on that ticker up there, we started about 80 feet out. We are now approximately 40. Okay, so here is concrete. We have transitioned back into concrete here at about 30 feet. This is the concrete original with the house. So when they built this house, it was the same time they put in this concrete sewer. As you can see, it's gotten rough over the years on the bottom. Slows down waste, causing clogs. Keep pulling back here. And as you see here, this is the section that was clogged. You're going to start seeing water take over the whole screen. That's because there's sitting water in the pipe at all times. This is a flat spot in the line. Flat or even slightly curved up in the wrong direction. So water sits there at all times. I explained this to Joanne, but I'll explain it again. If you picture the water running downhill at the proper grade, and then smacking into this pool of water, your toilet paper, your waste, anything you flush is going to slow down significantly. So as it slows down, then the next, and it kind of hovers there floating in that water, then the next piece of waste comes, and toilet paper comes, and smacks into it and slows down, and the next piece comes. Eventually you got a big wad of toilet paper and built up crap that clogs your pipe, so you can't flush. So as I pull back, you'll see the pipe's almost over halfway full of water at all times. And this is for a significant stretch here, at least 5-10 feet of just like a lake, basically. So yeah, here you go. You flush, your toilet paper is cruising down here. Well, I'll get you all the way back to the toilet and give you an idea. So, here's the toilet flange. This is the toilet you're looking at right here. So you're dropping down. There's the flush. You're cruising down. Toilet paper is anyway, and waste. Cruising down. Smack into this initial pool of water. That's about 10 feet down. That's a smaller one. You're cruising down, and it's getting harder to push now. So you get to here. I'm a 185-pound guy pushing this camera pushing it with force. Picture a piece of toilet paper and a solid waste. They're kind of coming down here, slowing down through that pool. They hit this turn that's really old and washed out, and slows down even more. And then as you come here, you're back in a pool again. So I mean, that waste is hardly moving as it gets through this line. And that's just something that needs to be corrected structurally. There's nothing I can do from here other than get it unclogged, which we're unclogged today, so you're back in business. But it should be addressed at some point. Alright, I'm signing out.